Hi, this is Krishna Merchant, and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended marginally higher on Monday as investors turned to the sideline ahead of the US presidential election and a regime change in China. The Sensex was up at 7 points at 18,763, and the Nifty was up around also 7 points at 5,704. Asian and European indices ended in the red. All eyes are on the US presidential election outcome and also the regime change in China, which will have impact on the markets and currency markets, said analysts. The Indian rupee hit a low of 54.6. It was a month and a half low on back of risk aversion, tracking weak global cues. Back in India, defensive shares rose. Dr. Reddy's was up around 1% and ITC was also up over 1% each. HDFC gained around 0.2%. Top losers on the Sensex were Reliance Industries and Infosys, down around 0.4% each. Bajaj Auto was also down over 2% on back of profit booking. Amongst the results announcements, Crompton Greaves plunged 8% after net profit declined 64% to rupees 42 crore on back of the plant shutdown in Belgium and lower margins. Citigroup also downgraded the stock to neutral from buy. Kingfisher Airlines plunged 5% following reports that the regulator may not renew its license if Kingfisher Airline is not able to come up with a turnaround plan by December. Tech Mahindra will be in focus tomorrow after net profit to beat analyst estimates. Net profit was up 23% on back of increased client spending. Also this week, quarterly earnings that will be in focus are Bharti Airtel, Tata Motors and State Bank of India, which will also give direction to the markets. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com to get more updates.